This is some chicken and I'm gonna throw it in the oven. So I'm gonna bake some chicken today. It has been seasoned from overnight. I just season it with my meat season, my blended season, which I showed you before, and a little bit of thyme in it, scallion, onion, garlic, lots of garlic, pimento, and it's been soaked and well seasoned, just like that. So guys, now I'm just gonna pour some barbecue sauce on it, because I'm gonna pop it in the oven. That will do. And I'm gonna add some Diana sauce. This will give it a little bit color and a little bit sweet. I'm gonna use all of that. Now I have some coconut oil, real Jamaican coconut oil. I'm just gonna add a little tip just to grease my pan. If you use butter, you can go ahead and use some butter. You wanna rub it in. And I'm just gonna pour my chicken in. Wow, everything. Look at that, guys. So I'm gonna bake this. So I'm gonna cover it, and then halfway through, about maybe 45 minutes or so, or roughly about that, then I will remove the cover and let it get some color, just like that. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven. It's already preheat, and I put the oven at 450, and after about 30 minutes or 40 minutes, I'm going to turn the oven down. My chicken so far, as you can see, it has color. You can just eat it like that if you want, but however, I'm going to tip a little bit more of my Diana sauce in a bowl like this, just about that. And then I'm gonna add some ketchup. This salad is special. It's Fiona's salad, okay? I'm gonna just cut up some lettuce. Just chop it up anyhow you like it. Like that. So to my lettuce, I'm gonna add some sweet pepper. Some people call it bell pepper. I'm gonna cut them like that. I want them chunky and nice. Just like that, guys. It's very colorful. I have one small onion. You want a little flavor, a little kick from the onion. You can use half or one. I'm just going to use half. I have some cucumber. Just split it down the middle like that. And I'm going to dice it. You see it coming along? Also, I have one tomato. just like that. I also have from Jamaica, I have Jamaican cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese towards this. You can add whatever cheese you like. Orange sweet pepper as well. Give it a little bit more color. I already washed my fruits. I'm just gonna throw few in it. One is raspberry, and this one is blackberry. And I'm gonna add some blueberries. Not too much. I love blueberries. I'm gonna use few strawberries. Just cut it off. I'm just gonna cut it in 4 pieces. Guys, this is cranberry. It's dry. I'm just gonna throw few in here. It's for just to give it a sweet taste. That's it. Woohoo. Just gonna mix it all up like so, guys. Just like that. So guys, I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of lime juice over it. Not too much. So it can give it a little tangy taste. I pull my chicken out of the oven. Woohoo. It's all baked and nice. I'm just gonna serve that up with some of my vegetable and fruit. So guys, this is the end result. My baked chicken. Serve up with some tuna salad. It's a tossed salad of some fruit and some lettuce and tomato and sweet pepper. There you go. A little bit of my ranch dressing right there. Just a little squeeze. And there you have it, guys. My tossed salad, tuna special, and my baked chicken. Guys, I hope you enjoy it, and please remember to like and subscribe to your beautiful girl Brown Sugar in the house. One love and be blessed. Bye guys, have a wonderful day.